In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can moisturize your edges that would in turn promote healthy hair growth. So first off, you spray water. Water is very good for moisture. It's very good for hydration of your hair. So you spray it directly on your edge line, as you can see me do in this video. Then you try to massage it into your hair and your edge line in general. Then moving on, you take in your leave-in conditioner. Leave-in conditioner is water-based, so it is also good for hydration. You take this quantity and you apply it directly on your edge, as I'm doing. So this would not directly grow your edges, but it will help you to moisturize your edges, which will prevent hair breakage. Because like we always say, once you have moisture on your hair is less prone to breakage. So you need to moisturize your edges as they are growing out. So ways you can actually promote healthy hair growth is restricting from doing hairstyles that will cause tension to your edges, like tight hairstyles that they will have to pick your hair from the front, that is really tight and the pain is excruciating. You need to stop that. And all this tight ponytail, tight bun and everything, that would not promote healthy hair growth. And you need to refrain from constant use of gel around your edges. As you can see here, I'm using shea butter. Shea butter is known to be packed with vitamins and fatty acids and a lot that would help to strengthen your hair follicles. And you know, your baby hairs or your edges is actually very fragile, so you need oil or butter that will strengthen the hair around your edges. That is why you see me applying shea butter. And if you notice, I melt it first in between my palm, my fingers, right, and I massage it on my hair, as you can see. So after doing this, ensure that you give yourself a very good scalp massage, starting from your edges, as you can see. So this would actually promote healthy hair growth. This is one of the ways I've grown out my edges, by giving myself scalp massages. So if you want your edge line to grow, massage it, as you can see, in a circular motion. This would help you over time. Then if you have like excess products on your palm or your fingertips, you can just extend that to the remaining parts of your hair and your scalp, as I'm doing here. So massages are very good. It will relieve any form of tension on your scalp. It will also help you to bring or grow out healthy, strong, bouncy looking hair. So this is your cue to massage your head. Today, moving on, you can do this at least 4 to 5 times every week, and definitely you will see a difference. So can you see how strong and healthy looking my hair is? And also my edge line, it is thriving. So try this today. Use this moisturizing product while your edge is actually growing, and refrain from the things I have mentioned in this video. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I've posted like new videos for you to equip yourself with, for you to learn from, and you should try to also click the subscribe button, and I'll definitely see you in my next. Bye.
You can bank on it, you can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole, cause I walk around with the bank on it. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him.